wellness is a fascinating topic, and I think that as coming out of a significant experience in all of our lives as of recently, I think that the focus of our well-being and is important. And I know that wellness and or well-being oftentimes can be sliced and defined in a different way. But I think our, consumption of technology, our exposure to technology, our oftentimes uh, focus on the immediacy of the tasks that we have to do, wellness, mindfulness, the experience that you interact with the world becomes important. And I think that the outdoor industry that we're in, the construction industry, the pool and spa industry, I think we have a huge impact on people's wellness. And I think that the value add to the industry that we're a part of is something that I think gets overlooked. And I think that we as an industry need to be able to communicate to people. We're not just giving you a pool just for entertainment. It actually has so many other elements that are benefits that I think that people take for granted.